I'll take today's example on 3 minutes time frame. Okay. So let me explain the setup completely, and then we will go for any doubts you have. Okay. So this is a complete setup wherein we have 3 indicators added. Okay. So in this there are three moving averages. In fact, this is one indicator that is combined of many indicators, moving averages, all those things combined. This has been made, and this is one more indicator which is called as Woody's indicator, which is used maybe to identify waves and all in the market. Okay. So now how to use it? First thing I'll tell. Whenever there are the candles are closed below all the moving averages, and this is for sell setup. Okay. When the OCC is in red zone, and along with that, this indicator, Woody's indicator, along with this black line is below zero line. If I say, see in this line, are you able to see all the data aligned in this? Right? Everyone?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
All the parameters are aligned. So this is our alert candle. So this was also one candle which was an alert candle, right? But there was no follow up to that candle. So we will not initiate a trade over there. At least it should start going below the low of the candle, then only we will initiate the trade. Okay, so this is our alert candle. As soon as the price starts moving below the low of the candle, we will initiate a trade. We will be ready with all our trading terminal entry, everything, and we will initiate a trade. Okay, and this color change of the candle indicates the momentum of the price. Okay, like it tells that now momentum has picked up. Right? Okay, so this is the momentum indicator. When we will exit? When the price closes above this line, blue line. Actually, our exit as per the setup is when the price closes above this blue line. So here, from here to here, there was a small profit. Okay. Even like we can have a checklist. If the price is not moving, if we are trading in option, then there is a chance of time decay. So if the price is not moving in our direction for the next 4 to 5 candles, we can reconsider to exit the trade. Okay. Second thing is next entry alert candle was this. So I'll move this here. So this was the next alert candle. Similarly, there was no follow up to this candle. So we will not initiate a sell trade. Okay. And then when again, after this again comes to our alert candle. Because if you see, why I am moving the line, all the 3 parameters are matching over here. The black line is below zero line. This is entirely into a red zone. Okay, so this is our alert candle and price started to move down. So we will again take a trade. Okay, but here we had to exit the trade because it closed above the blue line. Rule is rule. There should be no deviation. Whatever it is, though we know that it is in the sell trade, all those things are fine. But rule is rule. Once it closes above this blue line, we have to exit. Okay, then again, so this from here to here, of course, it was a small cost to cost or a small loss also, you can say, if we are trading in the option. So then again, when it come here, this is one more alert candle again. Okay, from here we will again initiate a trade. As here, if you see, the price was started to moving down, but again it has come down. So when we replay, if अगर हम लोग देखेंगे तो ये प्राइस नीचे जाने लगा था. Okay, so we would have initiated a trade with the stop loss above this candle only. Initial stop loss will be exactly above that candle only. If the price starts to move above that candle, alert candle, we will exit the trade. We will not wait for any close or anything. As soon as the price starts to move above that alert candle, we will exit the trade. Okay, so this is our alert candle. We have initiated a trade. When this is again an indication of color change of the candle, is indication of a momentum. So once this color changes, you people can consider to add on to more positions also. Okay, depending on your risk appetite as well as your capital. So the once this is the movement here, when the price, we will exit when the price closes above our blue line. This is our exit. Okay, still here the black line is telling us that this is a correction. The black line alone is going up, it means it is a correction, but still we will exit and wait for a re-entry. Is that clear? Okay, this is a candle which gave us an entry. This is all the three parameters are in the favor. So this is in red zone. This is in red zone. Black line is also below zero line. Everything is in the favor, and also the change of the color candle means, and after 1 o'clock also we get the momentum as well. So we can be rest assured for the momentum, and we can initiate a sell trade. This is where most of our team members made a good money today, right? So this is where we will enter into the trade. Okay, and this is the actual exit. This is the actual exit of the trade. Okay, because it is closing above the blue line, and this candle gave us a buy, and there was a follow up, and immediately there was a exit also. Okay, it came and closed below our blue line. So again here we got a entry. Once the candle started to move above this, we will initiate a CE trade. And as the color of this is changed to dark green, it means the price is in momentum. Okay, so and here there was, you can exit over here. Anyway, it is a day was ending, so we will definitely exit over here. This is, let me explain for Nifty also. Okay, so that you will get cleared. Okay, then I'll take all your questions. Okay, so this is, I had sent a marked this thing also. This is the start of the day, right? It started to come down. This was the first candle that came below all our moving averages, as well as all the three parameters are aligned with the sell side. Okay, but there was no follow up. So we will not initiate a buy trade. Oh, sorry, sell trade. Okay, and then from here the prices started to moving up, but our this was in a red zone, so there was no buy to be initiated. And then here all the parameter were aligned for a buy trade. Correct? It was again, there was our moving averages from where it got rejection. This was the alert candle. There was no move above high of the candle, so we will not initiate any buy trade over here. Clear, everyone? And then this was the candle where all the parameters were meeting for a sell trade. This was in red zone. This black line also came below zero line, and this is also below zero line. So it will be a complete sell, clear-cut signal for a sell. Okay. As this started to move below this candle, we will definitely initiate a sell trade. Okay. For this was our exit, which was a loss trade. Definitely it was a loss trade, because we had entered here, somewhere here, and we had to exit here in after this candle. So this was a one initial loss trade. Okay. Then when our system gave a sell signal again, this is not the candle to initiate. Why? Because this is in green zone. So we will not initiate. All three parameters are not aligned. That you have to keep watch. Okay. All three parameters are not aligned. So we will not initiate here sell trade. Okay. And then when all the parameters gave us a sell trade here. So I will move this line over here. So this is the line where all the parameters have given us a sell trade. With a high, same high as a stop loss, we will initiate a sell trade. Okay. Here the price started to move, but it closed above this blue line. It means we have to exit the sell trade, which is almost, I think it is some cost to cost. Okay.
Or expense.
And, yeah, or a small expense. Then again, this is the candle where all our parameters meet, right? All the three parameters, this is in red zone, this is in red zone, black line is also below zero line. So this is where our trade below this, our trade get initiated. Once this trade start to go ahead, the color change of the color says the momentum has picked up. And from there, if you see properly, this was the candle, I think, which closed above the blue line. Even if we exit over here, again there was an entry here. If you see properly, वहां पे हम लोग exit भी करेंगे, तो again यहाँ पे there was an entry. इस entry के लिए यहाँ पे exit था. Okay. So this is how beautifully this entire trade gave us a wonderful profit in the Nifty. This is the actual setup. This is how it has to be traded. The price started to move. This was the candle which told us now it is in the buy zone. As this also entered green zone. This also entered above zero line. Black line is also above zero line. So this is the candle that says it is in the buy zone. Now, if we initiate a buy trade here also, the stop loss is exactly below this candle. What is the, how many points candle it is? 953 to 926.
22.
Around 22 points in the, okay. So this is our alert candle. If the price is moving up also, if we initiate trade also, this is where the stop loss should be as per the ideal thing. Okay. And then it has not given close below the blue line and it has ended up going up later. Okay.